Hey everyone, it's Doug Maiden with Beck Technology in our Customer Success Department. Suzanne Wiley in Marketing asked me to record this to reflect upon when I wrote a blog article about customer success and the value that it brings to not only Beck Tech but to our clients as well. I read the blog post again and had some fond memories of learning how to play the trombone in concert band, and it was difficult in the beginning, but as I started to understand or kind of read sheet music and kind of get to kind of learning the instrument and music, I reflected, like I said, on the blog post where in my later years I started to play jazz band, where jazz was less structured and it required the ability to work with other musicians and understand where they were coming from and complementing each other as we were playing our instruments. And so I really think that is something that customer success and working with clients is very similar to, because as an estimator, you've been doing it for years. It's your craft. And it's that structure that you're used to, just like, say, a concert band where it's all laid out, where by changing the technology and embracing, Beck Technology's integrated process, you're going to need to collaborate with customer success, since we're practitioners coming from the industry like you. We've seen multiple scenarios from many clients, not giving away any trade secrets to from your competition and all that, but we can give you direction by listening to what your needs are, and again, being complementary to what it is you're trying to accomplish. And as you probably read in the blog, if you haven't, please read that blog. There's a piece to this that's really important, is that with any technology, it's a machine in a way, very similar to what I had heard back in the days when I was doing implementations and working with Gil Bain, and having an oiler or somebody on site that was constantly maintaining the equipment. Well, most of you as estimators, that is your discipline. You're not full-time working in the application, maintaining it. You're consuming and using it. So having customer success there as your liaison and kind of ironing some things out, I think is really important to consider. So hopefully this is of interest to you, and if you do not know who your customer success specialist is, please raise your hand and get coordinated with us. There's a fine set of folks here that have been in the industry for a long time and understand, for the most part, where you're coming from and where you're trying to go. So I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and look forward to seeing many of you in 2025.